Next up, we will be joined by Greg Hannam. Greg is the Business Operations Data Specialist at Vivid IoV Labs. Greg will talk about the opportunity NFTs provide businesses and brands to reach their customers and form true community with a verifiable and recognizable identity. I'd like to welcome to the stage Greg.
My name is Greg Hannam, and I'm the commercial lead at PeerCap, a brand-focused NFT issuance platform on the XRP ledger. Today, I'm here to talk about how marketers can leverage the power of NFTs and SFTs to create communities and superfans around their brand culture. My background is in engineering and data analytics, and I consult for B2B scale-ups on their sales and marketing strategies. Having been in the crypto space for about 5 years now, we are experimenting with the technology, but I believe that NFTs can open up a whole new paradigm for marketers to explore, and I'm excited to share my vision of the future and potential application of NFTs with you today. Non-fungible tokens have had a breakthrough year driven largely by their simple user experience, which has unlocked mainstream awareness and adoption of Web3 ideas. With NFT sales booming, there is a lot of hype and excitement, which has signaled to brands that it's time to get involved. Some are already dipping their toes in, but so far, NFTs have been mainly used as one-off PR stunts to get into the industry, experiment with the tech, or as an olive branch to crypto crowds. But we believe that NFTs have some fundamental properties which could change how we market in the future. There are many things that an NFT can represent, but at its core, they are like having an iconic luxury watch that anyone can check is certifiably real. It gives you membership to an exclusive VIP club of owners and carries social status. Now take that and port it over to the digital world, one which we are spending increasing amounts of time in. NFTs, governed by their underlying smart contract code, capture culture, status, and membership in a digitally native way for the first time. This unlocks a huge design space that is yet to be fully explored. Semi-fungible tokens layer on an extra dimension to this as they add redeemability to the tokens. Imagine owning a token that represented a concert ticket to see the Beatles' last ever performance. The ticket could have a face value and could be exchanged before the event for another identical concert ticket. Once the concert has ended, however, the token representing the ticket would then become a collectible and have an entirely new value. This doesn't just apply to music and events. Books, games, in fact, any physical or digital good could come with these tokens and be worn as a badge of honor by their true fans. So why do brands need to pay attention to this? NFTs give us 3 distinct advantages over today's methods. When someone holds the token, we have an ongoing direct connection to the fan, cutting out Web2 middlemen. We can deliver a unique digitally native experience to engage audiences in a new way, the production costs of which will come down dramatically over time. And given there is an underlying smart contract that holds details about the token, we can program in royalties, IP protection directly into the code. One of the best execution of these principles to date is Atari's arcade in the Sandbox metaverse. They built a unique VR experience that created a direct connection to their fans with lasting impact. And this has revitalized a brand that has arguably faded from view in recent years. I think this is a brilliantly executed, highly contextual, highly relevant expression of the brand captured in a completely new way. Another more relatable project is Gary Vaynerchuk's VeeFriends. Gary is often a leader in the most important marketing trends. And with VeeFriends, he issued a set of NFTs that have different levels of access to his events and himself, all of which are automatically tracked by the underlying code in the NFT. All VeeFriends characters and tokens are intellectual property owned by the company, and they receive a 10% royalty for secondary sales. Gary himself has stated that every brand will need an NFT strategy in the future to stay relevant. PeerCap is a brand-focused NFT issuance platform built on the XRP ledger for its high performance, low cost, reliability, and environmentally friendly properties. Working with RippleX and XRPL Labs as part of the grants program, our focus is creating a flawless user experience in which even the most junior marketing exec is able to mint, distribute, and track branded NFT and SFT campaigns. We are excited to be alongside the brands that will adopt early, develop their NFT strategy, and lead the way for others to follow. We think that the future of this space will be full of interesting and varied use cases. And this quote from Franklin Fitch neatly summarizes the opportunity in front of us. When you connect physical events, digital signaling, memes, and collectibles all into one, you create this super-powered wave to commodify culture, status, and membership. Hopefully this talk has given you some ideas about how you can incorporate NFTs into your next campaign. Whether you are a brand, startup, or user, get in touch, and we would be delighted to have your support to create this future together. As a special bonus and a thank you for checking out our lightning talk, When we launch, we will mint a batch of NFTs to celebrate being here at Apex 2021. Be the first to know by joining us at peercat.io. Thank you for your time again, and I'll see you soon on the platform.